Meet Magnus Drone System. Magnus Compact Dual Drone Deployment System, built for fast response from any vehicle. Its precision alignment system autonomously prepares 2 drones for coordinated launch, in seconds. Discrete I Mark 6 lifts off, a 1.2 kg class drone equipped with EO/IR optics and a 20-minute flight endurance. Each drone lands with sub-decimeter precision, even while the vehicle is in motion. The system auto-aligns, recharges, and secures the drones, ready for the next mission, without operator intervention. Magnus Drone System, persistent eyes in motion.